Okay, fine. From here, is it audible?
Yes,
Am
sir.
I?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
It's
Great.
audible.
Yes, sir.
Where
Yes,
did
sir. Now my voice is audible.
Where did we leave? Here, right? Okay, fine. Continue.
Yes.
Yes. C'est
C'est délicieux.
C'est délicieux,
délicieux, mais
ce
n'est
n'est
pas
C'est
très
pas
bon pour
délicieux,
très
moi.
mais ce
bon
n'est pas
pour
très
lui.
bon pour
N'est
moi.
pas très bon pour moi.
C'est délicieux, mais ce n'est pas très bon pour moi. Now,
Très bon pour moi.
yeah.
C'est
Now,
délicieux.
C'est
yeah,
délicieux,
as I
mais
said,
N'est pas
before,
très bon pour moi.
now we are not going to say ce n'est pas. Please, it is like I like to go to Delhi. It is something like I like to go to Delhi. I like to go to Delhi. Okay, I
yes.
like to go to Delhi. No, it has to be faster now. Okay, like
Ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas.
snepa,
N'est pas.
okay,
Ce n'est pas.
Ce n'est
not
pas. Ce
snepa.
n'est pas.
Yeah, see here,
Snepa.
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 Okay, here, snepa
N'est
très
pas
bon.
très bon.
Yeah,
Pas très bon.
yeah, snepa. Okay, now next. Okay, next. Yeah, what is this?
Oui.
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 Yes.
Oui.
Oui is here what?
Oui.
Yes.
Oui.
Yes.
Oui.
Okay.
Oui.
And what is the pronunciation? It is not oi. It is
Yes.
not oi. It is
Oui.
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 Okay. Oui, c'est pour moi. Okay. Okay. Let me keep this for 2 to 5 seconds for the newcomers. Okay. Oui, c'est pour moi.
Oui. C'est pour moi.
Oui, c'est pour moi. Oui, c'est pour moi.
Oui, c'est pour moi.
Oui, c'est absolument
C'est pour
délicieux.
moi.
Oui, c'est absolument délicieux.
Yes.
If I'm asking you, isn't it delicious? Isn't it delicious? Then what you'll say in French? Oui, c'est absolument délicieux.
C'est absolument
Délicieux.
délicieux.
Délicieux. Fine. Now,
Délicieux.
oui, c'est, pour moi, c'est bon. Come on. We should start saying this from here itself. Okay?
Oui, pour moi,
Oui.
c'est
Yes.
bon.
Don't wait for the French. Don't wait for the French text.
Oui.
Oui,
Pour moi, c'est
oui,
bon.
pour moi, c'est
C'est
bon.
Pour moi,
C'est bon.
c'est bon.
Pour moi, c'est bon.
Oui, pour moi, c'est
Pour
bon.
moi, c'est bon.
Oui, pour moi, c'est
C'est
bon.
bon. Okay, now, what is this?
Oh.
Les mois
Les mois and Francis.
Okay,
les mois
okay, let me tell you.
Ne-
Okay, les mois de l'année, de l'année en français, en français. Okay, moi, okay, les mois de l'année en français, de l'année en français,
L'année.
months of the year in French.
Français.
Okay,
Les mois.
okay.
Oh.
You can.
We aren't going to pronounce
Can you
and
please
after
say it
l'année.
again? Lema de l'année and
So once more, please.
So once more, please mute the call.
3-4 people, because there is a call, there is a network delay, and I'm able to hear 2 to 3 people together now, one after the other.
So can you please again pronounce it? Lema de l'année and Francis.
Les mois, أيوة. de l'année, de l'année, so de l'année, it becomes de l'année, so de l'année, okay, de l'année en français,
Les mois de l'année.
Et l'année.
So for this you have not mentioned in Roman English. De
Yeah,
l'année.
because same like the bonjour et bienvenue. Leave it please for now, because again I will have to explain you the rules of this and that. Okay, I just wanted to mention here. I just didn't wanted to mention this alone. I wanted to mention this as a pair. Okay, because we are losing time. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. I'll explain you this.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. And whoever is unable to make a note of this, you will get it on YouTube. Don't worry. And so, what is this? The first month of the calendar.
January.
On here.
Jean-Ji, Jean-Ji,
Jean-Ji, Jean-Ji,
Jean-Ji, Jean-Ji, Jean-Ji.
Jean-Ji.
Yes, okay. So now this G, remember that. I'll explain you where it comes and why. Okay. Jean-Ji, Jean-Ji. Okay. Come on, you can repeat this one because this is new. First slide for the first time.
Jean-Ji.
Somebody is unable to open the link. I got a message.
Jean-Ji,
Jean-Ji.
Jean-Ji,
Jean-Ji.
Jean-Ji,
Jean-Ji.
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 Yeah.
Jean-Ji.
No.
Jean-Ji.
Yeah. Jean-Ji.
Jean-Ji.
No.
Jean-Ji.
One sec. Not. It is not J. It is not J. It is Jean.
Jean-Ji.
Jean-Ji.
Jean-Ji, Jean-Ji,
Okay. Next.
Jean-Ji,
Okay. February.
Jean-Ji.
February. No. One second.
February.
Take the help. Take the help from here. February, because this is
February.
as per the comfort for our type of pronunciations. Okay. February, right? Just try to pronounce it as it is. February. Now this February. Now go and look at this one and pronounce that February. Okay. February. Okay.
February.
Okay. February.
February.
February. Right. This way you will have to first understand the pronunciation and then look at the word and repeat the pronunciation. February.
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 February. Okay.
February.
Okay. What is this?
See February.
March. Okay. What is March? Marks. R is KH. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Marks.
Marks,
Marks. No,
Marks,
See here. Marks. Listen. Marks.
Marks,
Okay. Marks. Okay.
Marks,
Okay. Now next. What is next? April. April. Who's that? April.
So here R is silent. R and V is silent. Aqil.
No, see here. April. No, nothing is silent here. Here nothing is silent. This is pronunciation. This is transliteration of the pronunciation. Okay. Aqil. So here now imagine what is in place of R. We are trying to pronounce KH. So and this is what and this starting A and V, and this is nothing but here you need to stretch it to twice and again R has to make a small place over there. Right? Is it clear? Aqil. This is the one. Yeah, exactly.
April.
Salim sir.
Yeah,
Salim
please.
sir.
Yeah, please.
Ali Imran has a dot.
Okay.
Ali Imran has a dot.
Yeah, please.
Sir, wherever R comes, you have to go for KH, like Ka. Kaha.
Okay. Yeah, Ka.
So R, A-V-R-I-L, so R will be KH. So the pronunciation will be Aqil.
No. See here, the pronunciation is exactly same what I have written here. This double A is R. V is there. V is there. Okay. Avil. Okay, Avril,
Okay.
Avril. Okay, again, I'll tell you one
Avil.
thing. I'll tell you one thing. The rules are not same for other words because this is the name of the month. The pronunciation has to be memorized.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Avril, 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 Avril. Is it clear to everybody? Because we have only few
Yes.
minutes left.
Afil.
Afil.
Okay, fine.
Afil.
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 No, it is not exactly qil. Okay, make it r and kha together. Then what it becomes? It is afil, afil, afil. I'm not saying.
Afil.
I'm not saying.
Afil.
I'm not saying afil. I'm
Afil.
not saying afil. I'm saying
Afil.
yeah. So what you have to
Afil.
do is you have to add r and kh together. Okay, and in place of
Afil.
okay, in place of r you have to replace it with kh, but make some sense. Okay, catch it like this: afil, afil. Okay,
عاقل
okay. Next,
عاقل
sometime, some other time, it will be more clear.
Afil.
More clear. Let's forget.
May.
Okay,
May.
same like a little lamb. Okay, may, okay. May, and here
May.
here Maey, may. So this, remember this EYA,
مي
like fed in fed
مي
a
May.
may.
ما
May.
ما
Okay, next,
جون
juin,
June.
John.
juin, juin, juin,
جون
juin,
جون
juin,
جون
juin,
juin
juin,
juin
Juin.
juin
juin,
Juin.
okay,
juin
Juin.
Juin.
juillet,
Juin.
juillet,
Juillet.
juillet,
Juin.
juillet, juillet,
juillet
juillet,
juillet
juillet,
Juillet.
juillet
juillet,
juillet
juillet,
Juillet.
G, not G, not J. It is
juillet
juillet,
juillet
Yeah.
juillet,
juillet
G. Your lower jaw has to move out. Okay, protrude outside lower jaw and juillet, and the
Juillet.
upper jaw will go
Juillet.
inside. Juillet, juillet,
G.
juillet
G.
not
Juillet.
GA, not GA. जिएंगे वो वाली GA नहीं, it is GA. See here, I'm giving you
Yes.
sight. GA, my lower jaw is coming out, protruding. It's called as protruding. The balconies of the Hyderabad house. 1 second. The balconies of most of the houses protrude onto the road. What do you call it? Hanging onto the road. Okay, so it is protruding, the lower jaw, it's coming out like, okay, GA. Fine. And what is this? Oot, 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 oot. Is it clear? Same, very simple. This one. This is very simple. Oot. Just remember the provision that you're getting here for the pronunciation. Okay, oath, because here you will not have any confusion. There is nothing silent here. There is nothing less important here. There is nothing. In pronunciation, you have everything written for your help to understand the pronunciation of this. Okay, oath. So now you understand here. In August, A is not A. A is not A. Okay, oath. Okay. Oath. Now, what is this? September. September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September. September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September.
September. September.
September.
Okay,
September.
kindly close your mic.
Sir,
Everybody, kindly
sir,
close your mic.
September.
Everybody, kindly close your mic.
September.
Administrator, kindly close the mic. Mute the mic of all the participants, and let me add it over here, and then you can put on the mic. Okay, it is September, 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 September. Okay, now unmute and start.
September.
September. September.
September.
September.
September.
Fine. Mute, please. Mute.
September.
Everybody mute. Okay. October. No, mute. October.
Salim sir, you are not audible, sir.
Yeah. October. 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 October.
October.
October. It is there. Okay. It is there. October.
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 sir, for September also it's same.
October.
Okay. September is
October.
October.
September. September. September.
September. October.
September.
September. September.
Okay. Now, what is this one? You just read the pronunciation.
November.
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 No.
November.
November. November. November. November.
November.
November.
November.
November.
November.
November.
Okay, fine. And
November.
November.
December. December. See, that's the reason I added there.
December.
It is I added the DH. The. Okay.
December.
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 December. December.
December.
Is it
Sir,
clear?
at the end we have to get the sound of ha.
And is it clear now? Sound is clear? Because I just got it.
Yes, sir.
Net connection was unstable.
December.
Okay. December. December.
December.
December.
December.
December.
December. December.
December.
December.
Yeah.
December.
Enough for today. Enough for today. Okay, fine. What's next? Any questions? We have 8 minutes left. Shall we go for a revision quickly? All the slides again, or do we have
Sir,
questions?
sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Salim, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, can we ask everyone to mute, and can you please revise all the things, because of overlapping some of the audience didn't got it.
Yeah, I could understand that, and also I was getting a message over here that my connection is distorting.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Just you
Now-
revise it, sir, please.
Okay, yeah, mute everybody. Administrator, mute them all. Mute all of them. Okay, and this is what January for English. Okay, and the pronunciation for French is Juanji, 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 Juanji. 5 times. Okay. Février, 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 Février. Okay, Mars, 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 Mars. Avril, 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 Avril. May, May, same like a little lamb. May, 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 Juin, 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 Juin. Sorry. It is Juin, 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 juillet, 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 G protruding out. Okay, when if I don't put this out or push this out, okay, you will not get that sound. It will become G or J, something this, something like that, and these has to go up, out. Okay, protruding. G, G, you'll get it. Okay, G, G, very easy. Oot, 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 oot. September, 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 October, 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 November, 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 December, 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 December. Unmute and questions. Any questions?
Sir,
Sir, I have one question, sir.
sir, at
Salim
the
bhai, I have one
last,
question.
Yeah, who's
Kindly
that?
raise your hand. I will give you one by one.
Yeah, name.
One by one.
This is
please.
Ibrahim from Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, Ibrahim, tell me. Yeah,
Ibrahim from Saudi Arabia.
yeah, Ibrahim.
Yeah, sir, I just have one question actually. It's regarding see the methodology. Actually, the alphabets. Actually, if you can, the advantage of going this way rather than learning the alphabets initially. I mean, like, what are the advantages? Just want to know. I mean, like, you know, what is the benefit of because see, let's say for example,
Great question.
I have noticed.
Okay, please continue. Please complete your question. Okay.
Yeah, let's say for example, what I noticed that in June, let's say for example, we are pronouncing like for I, we are pronouncing like E or something like that. That is what I noticed. Like, for example, so is there a difference? Yeah. So I mean, like, just want to understand why, because you started with this rather than going like straight away with the alphabet. So what are the advantages of going like this and rather than going with an alphabet?
Yeah, natural question, and this question was expected much before. But since the name of the months are so typical for the English first language audience, okay, English as their first language, because if I ask you to remember or teach you the sounds of the alphabets in the beginning, you are not going to make any sense and you'll not get the interest of the class. Like, remember the first slide or the first phrase that I gave you, say delicio. You were able to use it the same night at your home, right? Like Ibrahim, is it clear? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So the reason is that I want you, all of you guys, to get indulged in the French language speaking and then learn the tough things gradually. Why? Let me say you, a newborn, 3 months old, or maybe 2 to 4 months old, he did not learn to tilt himself on the bed or in the cot. Okay, when I say, for example, Arqam, and then he will, if he is lying like this, he'll twist his turn this side and see. Then Arqam, look here. When I say, then if I was looking here, then he would look here. Did we teach him any prepositions? Beta, this is and this is to, and this is and this is that. We did not. So this is a natural methodology of teaching a language, because a kid learns without prepositions, without a language, without any grammar, without any classes of grammar. He starts speaking from the day one he opens his mouth. That is maybe 2 years, maybe for few blessed, they will be speaking in 1.5 years, maybe 3 years. Sometimes they will take more years, 4 years or 5 years, but still they will be listening to you, and they can understand the complete phrase. No, don't go there in the balcony. Khalas, come here, come here. When you say this, when you use the, see, I habit, I'm so habituated of using the Arabic words in between. I said khalas. Now even that word, Arabic word, it's understand or comprehensible to the kid. In the same way, you do not teach him the prepositions. You do not teach him the a, okay. B, a sound of the alphabet B is ba. Okay, sound of the C is ka, ka, ka. Sounds of the D is da, da, da. It is taught in the schools at the age 4 or 3, right? But before going to a kindergarten school, the kid is able to speak the complete mother tongue, right or wrong?
Absolutely right, sir. That is what I was also feeling good actually, because I could communicate with my daughters and all those things in French. Actually, my daughter also started talking to me in bonjour and all those things. They started talking to me.
Subhanallah, Subhanallah. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. And see, it's not only Ibrahim is getting time here. The question was so important that this should touch the heart of each and every participant over here. And thanks, Ibrahim. Wallahi, I mean, swear to Allah that you have raised this question without me raising this question in the session. This is the natural. Okay, I was supposed to say this in another two classes, not today. And for that I wanted to show you some research. Why is that we have started from the sentences itself? Like, for example, let me say you one thing. If anybody don't know Telugu and I want to teach them Telugu, what I will do? Okay, I'll tell him one sentence. Just remember this and just go and tell this to the shop owner. Okay, నాకు ఒక అగ్గి పెట్టి కావాలి. నాకు ఒక అగ్గి పెట్టి కావాలి. Get what is the translation of that? I need a matchbox.
My sister said to get a egg.
Matchbox. I need a matchbox. Okay, but if my kid, and if you are living in a Telugu dominated place and the shop owner might not know Urdu, and I will just ask him, beta, just give this to him and ask him, naku oka aggi petti kavali. He will give and he'll come back. Khalas. This will be embedded in his mind. Embedded, right? Khalas. Next question. I think it's clear now. Next question. Yeah.
Sir, I just want to, sir, just a minute. I want to just declare about the Google form. Kindly fill the Google form for attendance today. And the last question for you is, you need to select from through whom you have connected. The person whom you know the first before this classes. Okay?
I mean the advertisement of the session, through whom you came to know, through name of the person, like Mehnaz, Shabana Madam, Salim, or Amir Bhai, and anybody else. Okay, whoever has sent you this message of the class, just give a reference.
Yeah.
Give you a reference. Okay, we are trying to actually get some ajr from you guys. Okay, no commission involved.
Actually, we don't know.
Sir, they just need to select the option.
Yeah, any question? Some girl was asking a question.
Sir?
I couldn't see you. I'm unable to see your names here. Okay, so please excuse me about I'm not calling you by name. Yeah.
Sir, at the last November, car sound we have to get. Yeah, ba.
Officer Masi, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, okay. Which one? November?
At the last car sound we have to come, sir.
Yeah, this E is silent and R will be replaced by Kha. November. Okay, and R is still
Da
there.
sound should we come, sir?
See, it is okay. How can you just say? Can you say this once?
November.
Khalas.
November.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
I'm correct, sir?
Correct.
November. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
Anybody else? Please fill up the
Can
form
you please
and yeah.
pronounce?
Which one?
Can you please pronounce the
Sir,
month
can I
July?
ask you a question?
Gia.
Gia. Yeah, one second. Gia.
Gia. Gia.
Yeah, this is
Gia.
Gia. No,
Okay.
no, no. This is not kha.
Gia.
No. There is no kha. There's not.
Gia.
Yeah. See the pronunciation. There's no kha here. Gia. And just now, while saying Gia, don't see here. Just see this so that you will catch. Okay, these are the alphabets of French, but I need to make the sound and pronounce like this. Gie, and I'm watching here. Okay, my eyes are here, and what I'm saying, Gie. And yeah, just memorize it like this, because the sounds of each of the alphabet is again tough thing. Like it was tough for you today to understand or catch or clearly the pronunciation of the names of the months. Okay, in the same way the alphabets are having quite tough sounds. Okay, which I didn't want you to use in the class 1, as I said. Example of the child. Okay, that is the natural methodology. This is not created by me. This has been devised by doing a lot of research, by spending millions of dollars by the language councils around the world. Okay.
Afsha Ambreen is the next one.
I think everybody agreed, right? Unmute the mic and say, did I give the right example about the kid? Kid will learn every sentence right before going to school, and before. See, nowadays parents are teaching ABCD everything at home and then sending the kid to the school. The first 2 years fees is just a waste, because just he's getting used to in sitting the class. He's getting used to in sitting without parents. Okay, sitting in a new building outside his home, right? Only that's the reason the school fees they are collecting. Otherwise, mother and the father, they are so enthusiastic in teaching the kids the entire syllabus before joining the school, right? So remove the school syllabus, and now let's come to the mother tongue. The kid understands. Pani mat girao, ganda ho jata. Bed keela ho
We
jata.
can say that
Everything he understands.
It's general we are speaking.
Yeah, our mother tongue.
Academic wise.
Yeah, he will not teach him. This is a verb. This is preposition. This is adverb.
Yeah. They won't teach in academic wise. They only just go in a general language. What they pronounce. What they used to talk in home.
If you learn alphabets, if you learn prepositions, and if you learn the charts, if you learn the charts in the way which we were taught during our childhood, during the school days. I remember it was horrible of learning English language classes as a tutorial in our area. My brother arranged a class for us, and he was a MA English lecturer. Although he's a very talented person, I still know him by name. He's my elder brother's friend, but the way methodology was not there. And due to the internet, we are now accessible to the new methodologies, which is available for free to us. Although this methodology to approve, to devise, and to present before the council a huge meeting for the professors around the world, for the language experts when they go and meet annually, this concept was presented to them and they approved, and everybody praised that, and there was a huge involvement of this, the natural project. Okay, and I'll give you a small presentation later on. Okay, it was supposed to come at least 2-3 days later.
Sorry to disturb you, sir.
Ibrahim.
But I just got intrigued actually. Just wanted to know basically how it is.
Which one? About the question? Okay, fine, no issues.
Yeah.
No. Because of your question, everybody got enlightened about this one. Okay, the session is ending in 1 minute. I think we are done for today. Okay, right?
Yes, sir. Only 33 of them have filled the form. But we have almost 42 as a participant.
Yeah. So what you will do? You will start the session again, or else leave the form on the this one, the WhatsApp group.
Sir, who has not attended, they will also fill, sir. Again, it will be a problem for us only.
No issues.
I have taken screenshot, Menas, no problem. I have taken screenshot of the attendance.
Okay, ma'am. Well and good. 33,
And
34 forms we have got.
even Menas, even though who are not attending regularly, let them fill the form because they are in the group. They're supposed to fill the form, and they should know because of we should know, right?